Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact high ping problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just right click here, go to task manager. Now just close all the applications that you don't need. Right click end task, right click end task, and that's it, just close all the applications. After that, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and if you are using a internet cable, just unlink it and link it again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, now restart your PC and then go to settings and privacy. Now type here background apps, click on it, and that's it. Now just turn off all the applications here, and that's it, your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.